That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support.
You are now watching another A&A production. Sometimes I get too comfortable that I get uncomfortable. So I gotta shake things up. The winter is here, and although it's sunny in the video and it looks nice out, I'm not looking forward to the cold, gloomy days ahead. That type of weather makes me feel like staying in. So I gotta set my eyes on something new or different. New goals, new ideas, hit the gym, get out the house. Good or bad weather does affect my mood. And believe it or not, the weather does affect customer spending habits as well. So I stare in their faces with ads letting them know I'm still out here. Just like group washes, leaf cleanups keep me busy during the wintertime. It keeps me visible and gives me the opportunity to be seen. Not only be seen, but be seen working. People notice hard work, and that has always gotten me new customers. Plus, this leaf cleanup gives me the reason to use my new Stihl BR 700 backpack blower. First off, compared to the BR 550, I noticed that it has more power. It blows through thick leaves with ease. It easily blasts debris in tight areas. This particular lawn has a lot of tight areas, and I usually have to use a rake to clear those areas. Let's just say I left my rake on the truck. My two favorite features is the retractable wand and the wand strap. The retractable wand allows you to adjust the length of the wand to accommodate your height. This feature also allows you to shorten a wand to freely move around obstacles and storing in compact areas. The wand strap gives you the option to tie up the wand for easy transport. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Smash that like button. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Click right here to subscribe and watch these two great videos right here. Like a man.